Today, it is widely recognized that there is significant uncertainty surrounding F1, H1B visas in the US. This has created a lot of challenges for the student aspiring for the higher studies in the US. Their present and future prospects remain unsettled. This raises an important question. Where should students look for better opportunities to study abroad? Here, United Kingdom, as always, stand out as one of the best options for the undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Usually, most of the undergraduate programs are completed in 3 years and postgraduate program is completed in just 1 year. This country has some of the world's oldest and prestigious universities. Hi, I'm Deepak Kumar from EdHorizon Private Limited. Today, I'm going to highlight one such university, the Russell Group University, Queen Mary University of London. UK has long been welcoming to Indian students, offering culturally adaptable environment, pleasant weather and affordable education, and this all making UK as excellent destination for higher studies. Let's know more about Queen Mary University, key points, campuses, fee structure, scholarships, fund required, intakes, and assistance given by us. Queen Mary University is a public university. It was founded in 1885 and it is a member of Federal University of London, located in Mile End, East London. Total student strength is 33,000. Total international student strength is 13,000. Total postgraduate students are 7,000 and in undergraduate students is 19.5 thousand. Total staff is 5,400 and acceptance rate is 43% and which is a good acceptance rate. Other important key points are it is 7th in UK ranking and 209 in the world ranking, 400 undergraduate programs and 500 postgraduate programs. Queen Mary has 7 campuses in East and Central London, Mile End, Whitechapel, Charterhouse Square, Ilford, Lincoln's Inn Field and West Smithfield. Now we come to the main important point, eligibility requirement. For undergraduate programs, one have to have IELTS score 6.5 overall, not less than 6 in any module. And percentage score required in 12th is 70%. If you want to pursue postgraduate program in UK, the IELTS score required is overall 7. 7 band is required for postgraduate programs. Bachelor score should be 70% minimum. The benefits you get while studying in UK, part-time work for 20 hours per week and post-study work for 2 years. You can work there for 2 years and you can earn there for 2 years. Now we come to the fee structure for undergraduate courses. Let's say BBA course for different programs, the fees is 20 to 28 lakhs per year. For BSc, under BSc different programs, it's 19 to 30 lakhs per year. For BTech program is 24 to 30 lakhs per year and for BA 25 to 30 lakhs per year. For postgraduate courses, fees for like MBA it's 22 to 34 lakhs per year. For MS program is 17 to 36 lakhs. For masters in management 22 to 34 lakhs per year. For MA it is 24 to 30 lakhs per year. You can also avail scholarships like Global Talent Scholarship for undergraduate courses and undergraduate bursary scholarship for the undergraduate program. How much funds you need to have? If you are studying inside London, you need to have 13,347 GBP, Great Britain pound, which comes around 15.5 lakhs. If you are studying outside London, the Great Britain pound required is 10,224, which comes around 13 lakhs. And what important point to be noted here, you have to maintain funds for 28 days in your saving account before applying visa. And which are the intakes available for the courses in Queen Mary University? So intakes are January, March and April, September and October. So still January intake is open for us. You can apply for the courses in the January 2026 intake. At EdHorizon, we provide end-to-end support to our students from pre-departure support to the post-departure support. In pre-departure, we help you in preparing the SOPs, help you in LOR, making affidavits, getting insurance, and helping you in guiding you in getting that TB test done, which is most important required test in UK courses. In post-departure training, we help you to get pickup from the airport. We provide you the hostel facilities, BRP assistance, bank account opening support, part-time job assistance, and visa renewal support. There are other universities offering January 2026 intake, and we have already made a video on that and which is uploaded. You can watch that video for January intake. Queen Mary University is also offering January intake, and you can apply and you can contact us on the given numbers. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our channel, and share our channel with your friends who are thinking to study in UK. Thank you.